It's Thursday, December 10th, 2020. Um, Thursday is usually a good day. First of all, today, Airbnb is launching its IPO. So, with that, it's bringing a lot of stocks with it, like IMMP. IMMP is running right now because of Airbnb launching today. No time frame yet, probably I would guess about 12 o'clock or so. Uh, Yesterday, DoorDash went public at 12:30 almost. So first of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade and maybe help you out. Maybe you can see what I'm doing wrong and you can do it right. Maybe you can see I'm doing right and you can follow along. Um, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks and love making profits and try to help out as many folks as I can. First of all, shouts out to Quick. Look at the top right here. You will see my favorite site doing my stuff. That's another subject though. All right, so this morning watch list was put in here about 2 hours ago, 6:30 in the morning. Actually, it was, and I told everybody, I'm watching. Of course, don't be greedy as always. And we went down here below and made some points. Right? I even drew a graph one time to show you what I saw. Earlier, I said it's riding resistance, and you see here it's riding this fucking line I drew, which is way back here somewhere, way before that. The whole morning. Then it broke resistance. And the current price now, it went up to 709. So back here you'll see at 498, I'm telling you, this resistance. So that's almost, well, that's more than $2. $2 and freaking 4 cent. Well, $2 and my bad. $2 and 15 cent higher than what I told you guys it was at. So right now the stock is way overextended. I haven't traded anything yet. This line down here, this turquoise color line basically, was at 578, is the VWAP. So, to me, what I see is, as we all know by now, a stock must always retrace the VWAP. So, when this thing dumps, it's gonna be hell. And I'm not gonna buy yet until I see a nice little pullback, because right now I'm chasing it. It's on a straight up incline. Let me draw this line right here, this channel, because you know by now I like drawing channels, regression channels. You look from here, right, to here is a straight incline. Let's go right. So that channel sitting right there, straight up, the middle line, straight up. So we know it must pull back as it's doing right now. But look back even further. It pulled back, almost touched the freaking bottom channel, and rose back up. See it pulling back right now? If it comes back to here about 640-ish, I may buy in. However, otherwise, wait for the pullback. We got 1 minute and 14 seconds left before the market opens. And I'm just waiting right now to see what happens right here. But now it's kind of strong. It has 49 million shares traded almost on a 49 million share float. And it's pre-market. Here's news. Look back here, 5 in the morning. News right there. Look at how you want to, but look up here. Airbnb is what's pulling that thing up. DoorDash is pulling that thing up. Look here at the daggone charts. I got my eye also on UTSI, doing nothing. CLRO is doing nothing. And then we got ENTX, which is also doing nothing. So I'm going to hold off for a minute and see what happens, but I will not chase this stock. There's no way I'm going to chase this daggone stock right here. It's not going to happen. So I'm going to change my number right quick to 100. Check my auto send button. We have 14 seconds left to the market open. Move my watch list all the way up so I can see the top stock. And watch what happens. It may hold on volatility. Who knows? It's up 250% already. Pre-market. That's crazy. Watch this dump right here. It should dump. Profit taking. Let's see what happens. Yeah. This thing is strong, man. Golly. I just can't buy it, man. It's way overbought. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. And I won't do it. I'm going to go over here to charts and watch the charts as it goes up. Earlier I put down that 150 was the the freaking resistance point, this stock here throwing me off a little bit. I'm kind of upset that it's running like that. I could have bought it way back there. ENTX has a 150 resistance point. We got UTSI up here. The first breakout point is 206. So we're gonna watch from I'm watching from 206. It's trading 2 million shares and 35 million share float. GLSI is doing numbers. For those of you who like buying expensive stocks, that's one you probably should get into. Let me go into my large account. I haven't traded anything yet. I might end up trading this GLSI in my larger account. So I'm logging in now and trying to see what I can get into. But I don't like right now the fact that IMMP is way oversold. Oh, sorry, overbought. I'd be a fool not to buy that thing. I'm gonna hop in this daggone GLSI for a ride past $100. Because it's gonna be $100. It's almost imminent. We're gonna put it at 100.50. All right, so I'm trying to ride this GLSI from this current price of $94.50, $94.49, how you want to call it, up to $100. Look up here, IMMP. See that pullback there? All them sellers, a channel, right? It's right in the middle channel. It's giving them hell. It pulls back to here, through it, and back up. But overall, it should pull back to way to the EMA. Look at the VU app though. It's curving upwards. The green line here, the EMA. So the EMA first, it breaks the EMA, then we hit the VU app. UTSI is making the move right now, look like. Yep, I missed that buy-in point. So let me go over here to UTSI and see what happens right here. Let's see. Heavy buyer. Not much movement though. Slow and steady. My line is right here drawn already. I missed that point. Must have been sleeping. So, I don't like this though. Let's go. Let's watch it for a minute. It breaks this point. Solid above this point. My buy-in is 205. So I'm going to go to the group again and say, watch 205 on UTSI. Now, the buy-in should be, technically, without a doubt, this daggone IMMP. It has a way more volume than any other stock out here. However, as I said before to you, it's way overbought. And I told you guys in the group earlier, I'm not going to buy it till it pulls back. I'm not chasing this daggone stock. I don't care what it does. I'm not chasing it. Not going to happen. Everything else is crap. It's the only thing this morning that's moving. Now, one thing to remember as well. If you can't find something that you like to trade and you see something may be wrong, like right here, it's just way overbought, man. This is crazy. You can't always buy something you see. Like, just because you see it up 200% does not mean go ahead and buy it because up 200%. So when this thing pulls back, whenever that may be, it's going to take a lot of people money up. Because this is crazy. Look at this. We should be down here at $6 mark. It's 165 and it's still going. And the news is not that significant to run it up that much. Like what it says down here. Breast cancer treatment, right? And back here at 5 in the morning, nothing happened, right? All of a sudden, 7 o'clock, it started moving up a little bit. 7 o'clock. Look at this time frame, right? Nothing really changed it. Now, then all of a sudden here at 8:20, it skyrockets. So at 8:20 back here, you see nothing happened. Nothing changed. Now, we know by now, 8 o'clock, Robinhood opens for trading, if I'm mistaken. 8 or 9, maybe 9. I think it's 9. So look at 9 even, back here. 9 o'clock. That's when it took off. Robinhood. So you telling me only traders exist is Robinhood traders? So are we just buying because we see it up? Or we buying because we saw news? We buying because the pattern is good? It seems to me right here was up over 100%. Robinhood comes in and buys it up. That's how it looks, right? And we still buying it. But the news is not that significant to do that. I don't care what nobody say. Look at the channel though. It's riding channel perfect like I drew earlier. It break a channel, we go on some more. And there it is. So you can be taking these 20, 30 cents here. Back here you had like a dollar movement. That's crazy. One candle move $1. Now the price is so high, it has a trade $7. Rephrase that. 77 cents in one minute candle to halt. Let's go back here to 1 minute candles. This candle here, I'm gonna get a drawing to. From here to here is 56 cents. So it wasn't quite that 77 cents to halt it. However, look at this now. From here to here is 55 cents. So we gotta go down and right about here on that one candle before it halts. So right now we're not in the halt status. You could buy here for run up point. Halfway up, run it, right? But I don't, man, this is crazy. It has to come back. There's no other way around it. Look at this. Even right here, you see the curvature on the VWAP, 636. I would not trade this stock this high. I'm not going to do it. I don't care if it runs in $10. I'm not doing it. That is my personal preference. Let me go up here, edit my watch list. Let's see. LE. Way too many E's. What you need to do is find what stock is running with this stock that's cheaper. What I need to do. So what I'm gonna do is make this watch list over here. And as I make this watch list, I'm gonna go on my charts and see what I have in there that's worth chasing behind. You know what I mean? But one thing I don't do is chase stocks. Not my strategy. It's okay if you're that way. Just not for me. Do what works for you. That's simple. AYTU was the mover yesterday. Like it's back in the moving. It's back moving again. Add a lot of stocks to my watch list. As you can see, on the right, on the left of my watch list, you see below it all the ones that I'm typing in, which are all my scanners that I like. Works for me. All right, so what's falling behind this daggone stock right here? Let's see. UTSI is still doing nothing. Watch this pullback. It's banging off this middle line again. If it bangs off it again, I'm going to actually buy in this time for maybe a $40 run. Watch it for a minute. Bunch of fake outs. You see, it pulled up, it pulled back. It pulled up, it pulled back. Now, if this curves back up again, because it did so many times, and this turned green, I'll buy in right there. Otherwise, I'm watching for the pullback. So I'm going to go over here, right here, and watch it for a minute and hold over this buy button. Keep an eye on level 2 and see what happens right here. Because it's telling me right now that this stock is the only one people are buying. Look over here. It's the only stock people are buying. These here are up, of course, but they're not up 200%. It want a curve. Watch that curve. I put 1,000, not 100. See, that's what happened. When you doing stuff you shouldn't be doing in the first beginning. That's a sign. I didn't want 1,000 shares anyway. That'd have been 7,000. I don't want to buy that at my small account. Besides, that money is available in my small account. I've been trading off camera, so buying power wasn't that high. But I was trying to buy in right here at 725-ish area for a run up to new high of day. Didn't get filled, but I wanted to pull back. So I'm gonna watch here. See how this lime green line here be curved straight over? It's flushing. You see how the movement is stopping, slowing down a little bit? It's pulling backwards. This candle's green, but for how long? 1 minute channel, 1 minute candle. Look over here. You'll see here as well, it put way back. It created a new high. They're going to move right there. I'm going to hold on for a minute for right up to pop a new high of day. Let's go. Looking for $8 now. Move through the $8 mark. Let's go. Go through it. Go through it. Go through it. Log onto my large account while I'm watching this. IMMP. We haven't bought it yet, my large account, which is crazy. I should have bought that earlier, because I could have bought more shares and be in and out of it, right? Already traded GLSI. I'm already in and out of that already. I called it on camera, 101. I was getting out of it. It popped 101. There we go. Popped the $8 mark. Popped the $8 mark and I hop out of it. Let's go. Okay. All right. Let me hop over here for a minute. Now break $8. The next resistance point, as we know, is a dollar mark, right? We wanted to break and pop through my channel earlier. See that channel? It blew through it. So we good right now. We wanted to go to $8. New candle make a new high, right? $8 is right there. We're gonna hold off for a minute and watch what happens right here. Okay, it's pulling back through that top channel. Look back here though. Did it once? Bam. Shoulder, right? Bam. This should be the head. It should blow through $8 easy and pop this 820 mark. Now, I'm not in the group saying anything right now because I'm kind of focused on this right here. But it needs to be green, not red. That's a strong pullback. That's terrible. Profit taking. They're trying to short it. 300% over here is imminent. I'm going to scan right now. Sorry, screenshot my GLSI trade in my large account that I called earlier on camera for the run up to 101. I'm putting in the group right now. I'm gonna hold off a minute before I sell. I don't care if I lose. This time I don't care if I lose. But I told myself earlier, watch for the pullback, right? I became impatient and I bought it. What I was telling you guys earlier, don't do, I did, right? That was some FOMO action. But look at the pattern though. First it was hovering below and then right at the middle line. Then it hovered above, banged off above. Technically, we should bang off again, right? And go back through, make a new high of day. I'm gonna say in the group, $8 is so close to this. On IMMP. This time here on a run up, if it don't hold this time, I'm gonna go ahead and hop out of it and be on my way. I'm cool with making 50 bucks in a day in my small account, or 100 bucks in a day, whatever I can get. I'll take that. 100 is my goal per day in my small account, but 50 is not bad, of course, right? What are we doing right here? On my phone, doing some other stuff, which don't involve it trading stocks. Let me get off this daggone phone if I lose my daggone money. All right, let me watch. Go to 5-minute chart. What I see same thing, right? Still banging that channel. Perfect. Go to 5-day, 15-minute chart. What I see, same thing. It's showing here we should go straight up, right? Let's watch it. We should pop through this freaking channel and create a new high of day. See here? This candle's hovering above this freaking previous green. Let me draw this line. A little lower, right there. Uh-oh, that wasn't a line, was it? She's used to doing the same thing over and over again. That's what happens. Right there. Let me get rid of this line here. I can't do that, so I'll draw here. All right. This time, through 8 bucks, I'm hopping out of it. Let's see what happens right here. I'm going to go to 1-minute chart, see what's doing over there. I'm being aggressive right now. Over here, we look at it, still up 250%. I just seen UTSI broke that point I was talking about earlier, 205, and I wasn't looking at it. My eyes is glued on this IMMP. So I'm gonna do is go in my account and trade this UTSI for about 10 to 15 cents, depending on where I see it at. Let me see. I'm in at 215 UTSI. I'm gonna hop out of it at 240. All right. What we see over here? RSCF. Nope. SSPK. Look at that drop right there. Everything I said don't do, I did it. And watch right here. Way back here is the freaking BWAP. FOMO get a hold of you. Sometimes you can't resist. Let's see. I'm in this UTSI. Getting out at 240 is my goal. Let me look at this RSCF. So I'm gonna go in the group as well and say, in 215. Let me change my 240 sell before it passes me. Oh, it passed me. God dang it. It happens. You see what I'm doing here? I'm telling you points. I'm buying that limit and I'm selling that limit on my cell phone. Right? If I was doing this on the screen here, I'd be showing you. However, if I do that, my stock information is going to be shown on YouTube, and I don't want that to happen. So that's why I do not show limit buys or limit sales unless I'm dragging it on the axis on the camera, on a screenshot, whatever you want to call it. Come on. My phone acting stupid. There we go. We need this green candle right here. That's what we need. We need this green candle. Powerful. We need this green bar. See curving up? Did the same thing right here. Right? Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. It's doing the same thing. It run up, pull back. See that line? Make a small line, then make a big run. Small line, big run. Where we at? 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 UTSI is 250 now. Look on the left right here. I don't want to leave the screen. See that camera? Let me go back over in charts. Here we go. I can watch it from here. Now I told you guys earlier that 205 resistance point. See the line I drew earlier? It blew through it. We at 250 right now. 252 was the high, I think it was. Meanwhile, CRO is doing nothing. So I'm going to do is I'm going to look at another stock to trade while I'm watching this. This is doing nothing. So RSCF. It has 1 million shares and 84 million share float. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. I'm looking right here as well. Let me see. AYTU, second day. Oh man, look at that movement right there. I'm in my phone right now telling you guys, take a look at AYTU. AYTU. Did it hold on volatility? I think AYTU halted on volatility. Yeah, it did. I totally missed that too. That sucks. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to put in a group. So now, let me take a look at AMD. You know, I'm a long time holder for AMD. I'm really into the microchips they got going on right here. So I might buy some more for a day trade. So I'm gonna go over here and look into my account again and look at AMD. Try to see if I can get some money off AMD. Look what's happening here. I should have waited, right? Follow your first mind. I'm gonna hold this off a minute though, show you something. I said earlier that it must come back to the VWAP, right? It came down, hit the VWAP, went back up. I should have waited. I could have waited to the VWAP right here, hopped in it for a dollar ride up. I didn't do that. I made a crucial error of not doing that. Now it's a red candle that may curve up right here if you get lucky. However, the VWAP is right here. If I would have waited, like I said in the video, if I would have waited, I hopped in right here and then bounced up off it and kept for the run. I didn't do that. Crucial error on my behalf. Look at that. It came out of the halt and bloop took off. I put in the group, it hard on volatility. I made some money on it though, so we good. AMD, I'm in AMD as well at the price of $90.25. I want to run it up to 92. Matter of fact, yeah, 92. Not being greedy. Matter of fact, 93. 93. Look at the previous high. 94 there. Not many much. Let me see. Right there, 92.83. Right there, 92.18. Here go part here we at right now. Actually, I'm putting 93. Here we go. Moving back up. Get ready to hop out of it. This time, I'm hopping out when it hit that double top. Double top and popping out of it. Let me get this right quick. This trade I got right here on AYTU. Go down a little bit right there. Go down right there. Say that. Put that in the group as well. It's AYTU. I say hold on volatility. And here is my trade. It popped out of it and it took off. Now still I have IMMP in my large account, waiting for this move back up past this what's this price I got right here? 753, which is above what I bought it at actually. What I should have did was watch that point and then buy it as it was passing that. However, way too much money. Let's make this move right quick so I can hop out of it. It's imminent to pop this $8 mark. This next run up, it's gonna be $8. It crossing this $8 mark is imminent. 300% on this move. Been happening all week, right? All week long, you find a trade that go up 300% all week long. Pop this point, I'm gonna hop out of it up here somewhere. Here come the curvature. We need this to blow past this other green candle. Just gotta be taller than this candle. And that's the move up we're looking for. Watch it, all three of them. Watch this one, curve up. This must pass the previous green candle. And you see here though, it's riding the bottom line again. Look back here. It did it for a little bit, then the middle, right? All the way up, then it took off. This right here should be a shoulder, right? On the 5-minute chart. 1-minute chart is going to show you that this is a quote unquote head, shoulder. This is a head higher than the left shoulder, and then it dumped. It never made a right shoulder. EMA, VWAP is way back here. Again, I should have bought in at the beginning, like I told you guys, at the VWAP pullback. I didn't do that, and now I'm down $37 because I didn't do what I said I should have did. Follow your first instinct, follow the principles, follow your strategy, follow everything it tells you. Don't do stuff on your own. It's going to tell you what it's going to do. It's going to show you. But my thing was, it was way overbought, which it was. Then it pulled back. I didn't buy in there. I bought in here somewhere instead, and it cost me. Right now I'm down $40. Now, you know by now, my cutoff point is 10%. If I'm not down 10%, I hop out of it regardless. But it's going to retrace itself because it has to, because it's too powerful. 118 million shares being traded. That's ridiculous. But you also know that my share float size trading usually is 20 million shares or less. So I didn't want to buy this beginning because the share size is way too large. But I did tell you here, I said, where we at? Let me tell you what I told you at. I said in here somewhere that the float was way too large. Now I can't even find it right now. That's crazy. Wait, right there. Here we go. Here we go. IMMP is tempting to create a new high of day, but I really don't like the float, so I won't buy it. I made change my mind though. And you see here, my mind was changed. At the wrong point, but it was changed. Here we go. We want this. We want this big green bar, the big green buy bar. We need some buyers come in here, not sellers. Let me go level 2 for a minute. Take a look at this. Look over here, level 2. Big buyers are there. Look at that. Are they closing out shorts, or are they actually buying to run it up? The question is, what are they doing? Look here though, not many sellers though. More buyers, sellers, but it's dropping. How's that possible? See this line I got drawn here, support line? It's still sitting there. It's banging that support line. The 1 minute chart says, right? We watch it for a minute. We bang this point here. Look at this. It banged the top point, banged the bottom point. It's like the whole channel is going through, right? Let me find another trade. Let me see on the left right here while I'm watching this. What is? Let me get off this for a minute. Let me go over here. This pulled back. I'm already out of it anyway. I don't care. AMD. Am I out of AMD? Let me see. Look at my AMD trade. See where I'm at. I'm not. I'm gonna get out of AMD right quick. Let me make sure it's right. Trying to get out of it though. Let's see. 5, 8, 15 minute chart. Not quite. It's consolidating. It's a big sell counter right there. I'm going to change my AMD sell price to $92. If I miss it, I do. No, I'm not. I'm gonna get out of it. I see it's dropping. I don't like what it's doing. Let me get out my AMD trade right now. I don't like what it's doing at all. Market, day, 91.03 current price. I watch it for 2 seconds if I hop out of it. 105. Let me go to the 5 minute chart and see what it's doing. Make it more, larger. Yeah, I'm hopping out of it. I don't like what it's doing. So I'm out of AMD at $91 right there. So for a smaller profit on AMD. So I'm gonna screenshot that right now and put that in the group as well. Green is green, right? Here go the rebound on UTSI. UTSI found support. UTSI found support. And what I'm doing UTSI is I may trade it again. I may trade it again. If past 211, I may trade it again. Let's see what happens right here. That's past 211. I'm in it. Let me see. Past 211 again. I'm in it. It's green. It's curving upwards. Everything looking like it's supposed to. It should blow through this 211 point. If I run it back again to 225, it should blow through this point. Follow your first mind. Don't buy this freaking stock when you ain't supposed to buy it. Follow right here. Everything was pointing how I said, and I didn't do what I was supposed to. And now I'm holding this stock longer than I want to hold it. I'm confident though for the rebound, but I should be holding this stock this long. I'm gonna end the video in a minute because, of course, you know by now I don't like making these real long videos because it takes up my time and yours, and we both got things to do. I'm gonna go back over here and see what's going on. I'm done with AMD, so that can be gone now. And I'm gonna put where AMD at. I'm gonna put SSPK right there. So buy-in point on SSPK is 1427, which is hanging over. Oh man, I caught it too fast. Dang it. It happens. SSPK. Let me log on right quick. For a ride to $15. So I'm going to group for a minute and set. Oh, look at that drop. Golly. I'm going to go over here and say SSPK should make a move at 1430. Should. Don't mean it will. All right, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? CVLB. That's a I'm done with this anyway. I'm done with this freaking $11. I missed out all that money. Jeez. I'm done with AYTU. So CVLB. What's that all about? That's terrible. Look at that. Wow, that's terrible. This is really irritating me. But look though, notice though, it's riding its line the whole way down. So it's not like it's not doing what it should be doing. Let me see, UTSI, SSPK, RSCF, no, ANIX. ANIX. Here we go, over there. ANIX, 399, 401. Support right there. Video went in at 10:15. I'm gonna call it a day. ANIX. Channel of 368 to 401. Thing crapping on me. See this crap? It blew through the VWAP. First time I did that junk all morning. Seller, right? The 5 day, 15 minutes gonna tell you it blew through it, right? Which means I should have been out a long time ago. But I'm riding the wave because I know, and I hate to say this, because there's so many shares being traded, it must recover, right? The channel is now pointing down, so I'm gonna do this right here is draw a new channel. Make sense? So I go to the 5 day, 5-minute chart, make it a little larger so we can see it better. Go to my drawing tools, make my regression channel, and go from here down, right? And then go from here. Hold on, I don't want to do it. Come on now, act right. From here to here. Then go to the right as well. Make two channels, right one and left one. Come on now. We'll go a right one and a left one. Left one we can't do because, oh, here we go. From here to here. Ain't going up like I want it to. We leave it down. That's it. Because I can't get it to go up. Meanwhile, I forgot to buy ANIX. So let me go back to my phone again and look at ANIX. There we go, a new high. So I'm in ANIX at 381 for rod to 405. Matter of fact, I want more than 405. They're gonna do that no problem. So let me go back out of here and put my sell order in at, where we at? That's 405 right there. I'm gonna go halfway up. So between here and here, it's 11 cents, right? So I'm gonna go 409. Video ends in 5 minutes. Look up here though, my channel. I drew it downwards. It's green now, breaking that channel. I'm gonna go in the group now and say I'm in ANIX at 381. So do with it what you may. In ANIX. You know what? I'm gonna go back to what I said in the chat that it's right on channel. So let me go back here for a minute. Let me see. Man, I'm out 405. Sorry, 409. Where we at? Let's put it in there. I can't find it now. There we go. In at 381. Out. Man. Did it sell? Hold on. CLRO. CLRO. Let me see CLRO. No, let me leave it there. Leave it there. Let me get out of this. Let me go back over here. CLRO. Trying to don't miss a train. So I'm in CLRO. Okay, let me go back over here. Type in CLRO. It's rolling. CLRO is bullish. Come on, not bully. Bullish. All right, get out of the group. Back to my cell phone. Man, I missed the ANIX, didn't I? That big move up that I caught. Gosh dang it. I missed all that money. But I told you guys, I said it's in the channel. So look at the video and look at what I said in the group. I called it to the T. Hold on, I'm trying to do 3 or 4 things at one time. So it's sorry I'm quiet for a minute. I'm trying to do a couple things on my cell phone. Get some profits off this ANIX some more. Might hop in the second time. Let me see. Yeah, I'm in again. In again at 482 for rod to 505. You know I'm gonna higher than that because they're gonna pop that 505 mark, no problem. Look at 510. Let's go SSPK. Video ends in 1 minute. I'll post later on, of course, my final trade on IMMP, as always. Let me go to the group for a minute. Watch this breaking point. Let's see. It's now 10:15. I am still in this trade right here, as you guys know, in my small account. I'm gonna hold off for a minute though. And here, not in this trade. Here, not in this trade. and here I got in the 485 for a second run up and hit $5 right there. I told you guys in the group, there's $5, right? I put in the group, I said to you guys in the group, I said, let's go, $5. I said, watch this breaking point at $5. It hit it and it bounced back, didn't break it. Over here, it's still resistance right here at 207. So we go to the group again and say UTSI. Keep an eye, yeah. All right. We go back over here and watching this hit this point and it pull back, right? But look over here though. It's a strong buy candle. Green, light green. There you go. Hit 512, right? My sell order is 510. Look again. Keep an eye on this, right? And look down here. I said to you, as well is $5, the breaking point. So it broke to that point, hit 512, and it still want to go some more. 510, 511, 514. See? I had this right too, but I messed the whole trade up trying to chase that stock. Follow your principles. Stick to the guidelines. Do not let anything influence you different. If a trade is not how you like it, don't do it. Don't break your rules for nobody. You hear me? Don't break your rules for nobody. For nothing, not nobody. And what I did was broke my daggone rules. Let me go back over here to the group and post my new ANIX trade. I don't want to end the video yet until I get out this trade right here. I really don't. So let me go back here. Then my ANIX trade. They got a 204 mark again over there on UTSI, right? 204, 205, 206 on the top right. I'm gonna go back to my UTSI account, see where we at. UTSI. We're looking at two. And let's look at this IMMP trade. My goodness, man, what is going on with IMMP? So we can put this right here. Then we're gonna look at this. See what's going on right here. Let me see. I'm still here watching what's going on. All right. I look up top left on my charts right here. You're going to see a green candle forming. Now we are below the VWAP. Again, it may pass VWAP, touch it, pass it, touch it, or break through it, but it must always retrace the VWAP. Look at that stock there, hit 540. Now if you bought in $5 even, you'll be at 540, 40 cents up. If you bought in at $5 even, be up 40 cents up. Also, I called a pullback on, of course, IMMP. However, I bought in way too soon. Could have waited back here, dollar run up, hopped out of it, on my way. So I'm gonna do this right here is tell you guys as well that freaking IMMP looking for a reversal. May have found support. Go over here. edit watch list, and add more stocks in watch list. So I'm gonna go here and put in this ENTX. It already should be there. EIGR CNSP PLM COCP MPLN and BTU. Mess that up. Time, that's missing. SID, AR, DMAC, SMTS, RJI, it's already there. Check, check, check. Already there. Okay, so this ain't done yet. Let me move this graph out the way, get rid of that. Clear drawing set. And draw the support line, which is right here now. It's just right there. Straight across. And first point is going to be 712. Next point is going to be 54. Next point, of course, higher day, 95. Alright, for real though, this video is going to end, I promise you, at 10:30. That'd be a whole hour. Hour and 5 minutes, actually. I'll be back in a second. What's going on here? Top right, still hitting 205. You see, 204, 205. This is the #1 leader though. This is what they're watching. Maybe that, but this is what they're watching. This one and this one. These two. Traders are watching. All right, what's going on right here? Let's see. I'm gonna stay here for a minute and watch these stocks right here. But you look here at ANIX, you'll see it's still banging that $5 mark over and over. This has found support and now ascending, which is perfect. Get back up to my point and I'll hop out of it and be done with it. I could go now, put trading stop in and be done with it, go on my way. I should have bought in, I say again, back here. I didn't. And it cost me some money. So let's watch it for a minute. Let me go up here. I don't see Hoth on my watch list. Let me go back to my watch list and go through Hoth, H-O-T-H. And WTI is also new. C-Tech, AR. Come on now, act right. C-Tech. We're gonna save it right there. It's looking bad right here, y'all. This is. It's breaking that daggone support point. And I refuse to sell it right now. Don't be like that. I don't care losing $50. It ain't gonna kill me. But right now I'm being stubborn, breaking every rule that I have. But look at this view up here. Straight across, right? It's not curving down, straight across. It's curving down, you get issues. Support is now made, look like. right here. Micro pullback. 1 minute chart up here is showing yeah. Okay, I see what's going on right here in the 1 minute chart. Like it banged through, up, consolidation, pull back, up, pull back. Here, consolidation is way oversold. Look at this line right here. It's at 35. Way oversold. Look down here. It's way below this. -2. Way oversold. So it's way oversold. My buddy came back. BPTH. Look at my buddy. This is one I trade a lot. It has not many shares traded though. 640,000 shares traded. Interesting. Make this larger. Let's see. IMMP. That's 150 million shares traded. That's ridiculous. CRO, LEJU. Check. PRPO is also my buddy. 5%, not up much. MITO. Look down here. GLSI still going. UTSI sleeping pretty much. Look at that. And then we have ANIX, which is pulled back terribly. 3 minutes more. I'm in the video. I'm gonna be quiet for a minute and watch. Get on my cell phone, make some trades probably, and watch what's going on right now. Let me see. Stock market is down pretty terrible today. But like, let me see. 1, 2, 1, 6. The market is currently show the market. Where we at? $20.36. 2036. 2036. Let's see what it says. Shit. When this IMMP wake back up again, it's gonna pass this high day right here. Right now we got people taking profits. Let me go level 2 for a minute. Look at level 2. So if I go here, and I pick this, go to my cart, pick this, come on, do that. Perfect. Perfect. Total amount, purchase, it's that. This is that. I ain't talking to myself, y'all. I'm on my phone handling business. So don't think I'm talking to myself. Like Joe crazy, talking to himself. The market's still up right now, 47 points right now. So the market's still up. We good. Alright. It's now 10:30. I'm gonna end the video. I'm in one trade right now. IMMP on my cell phone, which is my large account. Also here as well. And I'm down a couple of dollars right now. like 30 something, 40 something dollars. It's okay. I get that back. You'll see later. With that being said, one trade away. Stay green and don't be greedy. Follow your principles. Do not change it for anything like I did right here. I said to you guys, I won't buy to a pullback. Everything I said I wouldn't do, I did it. With that being said, y'all stay green.